He disassembled engine, he disassembled suspension, and you know, one guy said for him, "Oh, your car crappy, rusted." And he killed his desire to continue this project. Today, let's talking about unfinished projects. You know, I bought my 1972 Volvo as unfinished project. I'm restored it, but why this guy stopped his unfinished project? This is our question for today. How to escape this trap of unfinished project and how to support yourself to continue. Patrick's Garage. And first of all, from the start, you should decide what more important for you, your project, car project, or maybe social media. You want to scrolling your cell phone. Yes, I captured myself on this. Recently I was sitting in the car, scrolling cell phone, and I think what more important, to continue restoration or just enjoy by these cell phone, you know, messages, social media. We should be focused. Avoid these distractions, social media, and always remember what more important, scrolling your cell phone or continue your project. Now I remember when I welded my car, Volvo 1969, and Uncle George. It was really often he always want to approach to garage and see what I'm doing. It was really curious for him. He just wanted blabbling with me. But for me it was just time wasting. But yes, we should admit that sometimes we can't avoid these obstacles, like we should communicate with our relatives if we don't want to do this, and meantime we want to find time to continue our project. Yes, this is often an excuse. I have not enough time, I want to spend my time with my family. Yes, I remember, but you can, this is possible to spend your lunch time, arrive home and spend your time with your child. I did so. I remember I worked, and during lunchtime I'm arrived to home to spend my time with child, to play with him. But right after work, when I go to garage to restore my car, this day I'm arrived home and spent time with my child. Of course, pleasurable time you want to spend wisely with your own family, and after work when you're exhausted and you can't give so a lot of emotions like in daytime with your child, with family, so you can spend this time more wisely. And after work, yes, I laid under the car, sometimes fall asleep during the welding, you know, and I damaged my head. But with glovers can be really helpful during the welding, even if you can't be so focused, but it's really dangerous. You should be always focused when you're working with your car. You are always focused. And sure, I mentioned about glovers. Yes, you want to invest good glovers. Tools, you know, I bought professional sockets set, inch sockets required for my car. Greatest ratchet, you know, I bought in the downtown. We crossed with my shift when I worked as a driver, and I remember that I found in this store greatest tools. So I choose the really perfect tool for car working process and sockets. Then later I bought welding machine also. It was great, and now it exists, and I will continue this welding enjoyment journey And professional tools, this really, they aim you. You should focus on great work should be done in great condition, rather than to pay for a guy. You want to find the tools when you want to learn how to use these tools, and you want to invest tools. And now I'm also inclined this idea to invest special tools to rebuild the engine. Car should be obvious. You should see your progress. You should see your object of desire. If you see your car, you want to continue your restoration project, and if you see results, your desire increased. You see your results, you observe what was done with your car. It's more obvious with body work, paint work. Okay, we want to agree that always we want to make this work, and reward, we see reward immediately. When work done, you see great result, and you want to continue next time. It's all with welding, with painting. When you put bonder, you're polishing your car, and this just to maintain your desire to continue to mess with your car. These obvious things which you can do to support your desire, wipe your dashboard, wipe your glasses, windshield, and you see these results, how beautiful your car, even if you're doing something not noticeable, under the hood, but yes, results should be obvious to maintain your desire. And you don't want to cover your car, these car covers, yes, this can protect car from dust. What I did, I just covered the angles of fenders when I restored to not you don't want tear against your fenders in the garage and damage your painting surface. This is really good options, not cover car completely, because car should be obvious. You want to agree? I see cookies in the kitchen on the table, which I don't want to eat cookies, but a wife put cookies, and I want to eat them. This is obvious. I want to do it, of course. So, car should be obvious. Even recently, my father agreed that better restore rust than electronic. Of course. He bought his first car from 60s, and it was in late 80s. We bought this car, we spinned this car, and we decided to buy this car. But later, yes, it was as his project. He disassembled engine, he disassembled suspension, and one guy said for him, "Oh, your car crappy, rusty." And he killed his desire to continue this project. So we want to avoid toxic people. If we want to continue our project, why they want to say so? Maybe because of jealous. You should protect your desire from sneaky people first. When I remember this story with my father, and it was really painful. He stopped his project. So I want to say you shouldn't listen anybody, and I shouldn't listen anybody. I want to continue my restoration project, because I know these cars from 60s, they were produced in greatest time. This quality better. You can't compare reliability of old car with electronic which not visible. You can't see this electronic. For average guy, this is more attractive to restore rusty car, and for me it's so seductive. Rusty arch, I want to take my welding machine as soon as it's possible. So, and as always, and of course, I'm really curious what you think about unfinished projects. Let me know in the comment your story, what was related with unfinished project. And bonus tip, unfinished project, you can buy really dirt cheap, like I did, because guy, he has no any interest to continue, and he want to sell his project dirt cheap. If it's really cheapest car, you can buy it. Nothing wrong if you have desire to continue this restoration project. So, I'm waiting your comment. You write your comment? Okay, thanks for your attention. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.